Garmin seems to be getting everything in place for the Instinct 3 launch, and the leaks are giving us some solid hints. First up, the Solar variant briefly appeared on Garmin Spain's website, with a 45mm case size before it was pulled. It didn't stick around, but we got a sneak peek. Then, over in Hungary, Garmin's official site teased the Instinct 3 with a line about starting the new year with a new watch. Sounds like January might be the launch window. But that's not all. The Instinct 3 showed up again. Thanks to Gadgets and Wearable for spotting this on Garmin Pay's portal in Peru, listed alongside their other devices. These little oops moments on international sites are a pretty big sign that it's almost here. Now, onto the good stuff. What's different? Not much has leaked about the specs yet, but one big question is the display. The Solar variant will almost definitely keep the MIP display Garmin's outdoor watches are known for. But here's where it gets interesting. Garmin has been leaning into AMOLED displays lately, so the non-solar version might just surprise us with one. Personally, I'm betting it will. As for the release, Garmin Hungary's teaser makes January feel like a safe bet. And so far, there's no sign of any other new devices launching with it, though the Fenix 8 with micro-LED is on the horizon, and that's got me hyped too. That's all for now. Make sure you're subscribed for more updates. Thanks for watching. Peace out.